we just arrived to the Pikes Peak International Raceway down here in Fountain, Colorado. We're at the Slush Motorsport Festival event, and as you can see, I'm standing on an empty trailer, and that is because the Gallardo is parked right over there in our booth in a huge crowd of people because everybody is ecstatic about the new color. In fact, we're going to be unveiling the new color to you very, very soon. We actually have some really, really cool drone shots. We're very proud of how this turned out, but I wanted to know what you guys think of the new color. Check it out. We're back here at the Motorsports Festival. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of the new pink and black bicolore wrap on our Gallardo? So this is a first-gen Gallardo. They didn't come in bicolore, but we kind of copied it. Here it is in all its glory. So we ended up picking a gloss metallic pink from KPMF. It's called Momentum Pink, and we could not be happier with the results. This right here is just PPF over the paint, but it's sitting in our booth looking so good. Look at our little booth. How's it going, Faith?
Summit life.
Yeah, Salga, you're hard at work?
Oh yeah, all day long.
Are you selling merch?
He's been doing customer service.
Oh, good boy.
Yeah.
So this is our little booth here at the Motorsports Festival. As you can see, I made this cool little sign with merch for sale. In fact,
new socks.
Yeah, we got some new merch coming out.
So they match the Lambo.
Yeah, I got them on right now.
Yeah. So we were kind of nervous about the pink because some of you in the comments, and I won't say who, said please don't wrap it pink. But this has been in the works for ever since we bought the Gallardo. I told Clayton the second we bought it, I was like, we need to wrap it pink. And then all of a sudden, so many people started wrapping their cars pink, so we were like, oh no. But I am very happy that we did. I can't stop looking at it. It looks so good.
Dude, it turned out so good. This pink is just phenomenal.
I know, it really is. And like in some lights it looks purple, and some it looks like fuchsia.
Also, peep the Strad Purple Underground Racing Twin Turbo Gallardo right there.
We might have to race that.
I challenged him to a race. I'm not sure if I'm gonna win or not.
That's gonna be a little embarrassing for you.
It'll be really embarrassing for me.
Sal, I can't have you sleeping on the job. We got customers. We've got customers.
Now he can sleep on the job.
Nice. Oh yeah, Sal.
Man, so this Slush Motorsport Festival is huge. I did not know what to expect, but these are so many cars. The car scene in Colorado is way bigger than Utah. Filming at car shows is kind of hard, so instead of a vlog style of the car show, we're gonna cut to more drone footage, cinematic footage. My buddy Colin here's got a bunch of drones he's been filming all day. Let's cut to that now. So while we were setting up this morning, I was really excited because we were the only Lamborghini at this entire car show. But quickly, about an hour after that, this beast rolled in. This thing is insane. It is a 2004 manual transmission Gallardo wrapped in matte iced amethyst titanium or Strad Purple. But the cool thing is this thing has a stage 2 UGR twin turbo kit. This thing's putting down roughly 1,200 horsepower at the wheels, and I got the owner to agree to do a roll race with me. He's gonna smoke me. It's gonna be so embarrassing.
Oh, the drone's up, sweet.
Man, I got smoked by that purple UGR Gallardo, but I will say the pink definitely stood out way more than the purple.
And the exhaust.
And the exhaust. Yeah, the exhaust screamed. So that was actually my first time drag racing ever. It was kind of a roll race, but Faith actually did 4 pulls, 4 races after me.
I whooped a Honda Civic.
Yeah, she beat a CRX, which is pretty sweet. She also got absolutely obliterated by a 1,000 horsepower Jeep Trackhawk. Wow, we need one of those. This has been an absolute blast of a day. It's around dinner time. It's about 6:30 right now. We're actually gonna be meeting up with my buddy Aaron Paulos, Life of Paulos. You guys know him. He lives like half an hour that way. So we're gonna go meet up with him, get dinner with him and his wife, and then come back later for nighttime drifting.
But I'm gonna say it's gonna be a little dark, so we'll probably just see you guys tomorrow morning.
Yep, see you guys in the morning.
We're all packed up.
Oh, it's been a fun time.
Yeah, now it's time to load the Gallardo onto the trailer and we're off to Utah.
Back home again.
I do think we need to address something that hasn't been addressed in the video yet though.
What?
The wheels.
Oh, the wheels.
So guys, as you notice, the wheels are black. We decided to do the two-tone last minute and the gray wheels did not fit.
I thought the gray wheels were gonna fit really, really well, and then we did the two-tone and they just clashed. So we went back to the black.
But guys,
We'll find a use for those other wheels though, for sure.
you can't not agree with us. This looks killer. All right, yeah, commence loading the Gallardo onto the trailer.
You wanna stand on the trailer and I'll pull you up?
Yeah. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Whee! Wha- We're getting pretty good at that.
Yeah, you're a pro now. We just need to get our own trailer.
Yeah. Are you ready to go, Sal? On another 9-hour car ride? I bet you cannot wait. Who's excited for the 9-hour drive ahead of us? Say aye. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So we are off to Utah. Here we go. We made it to the gas station and someone stopped and asked if they could take pictures. So I think the pink was a good choice. Everyone really likes it. There's one guy at the show yesterday who was like, it's not my style, but that's all right. There's gonna be people that don't like it, but I'm hoping that most of you do like it. So like I said, lay it on us. Let us know what you think. I am over the moon about this wrap though. I'm so glad. Got another fan over there. Everyone likes the pink.
Dude, everybody loves the pink, especially girls.
Yeah,
Dude,
well obviously.
A pink Lambo with a guy, chick magnet.
What are you trying to say? You trying to pick up chicks or something?
I already got one.
That's what I thought.
Picked you up pretty good.
That's what I thought. Yeah, with your base Cayman.
Swept you off your feet with my base Cayman back in the day.
You did. So our shop is right over this hill, but it's raining. But we got a cool rainbow to welcome us home.
I've never seen this rainbow at our shop.
Yeah,
It's a miracle.
it's a miracle. We made it all in one piece. The Gallardo's getting rained on. You ready to unload in the rain?
Yeah. Well, look at the pink. Looks really cool in this lighting.
Oh yeah. Well, isn't that a shot with the rainbow behind it?
Oh yeah.
Nice. Okay, let's do this.
I want to get a photo.
It's really wet. you guys enjoyed that video. It is raining and we are tired. It's been 9 hours of just constant driving.
It's a full rainbow now.
It's so cool. Thunder, did you guys hear that? Oh yeah. It's,
you guys on the East Coast take that for granted. We don't get it here.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Let's stop standing in the rain and in the video and go inside and dry off. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, probably 5 times now. Lay it on us. Let us know what you think of the pink. Don't worry, we can take it. I love it.
I absolutely love it.
I'm obsessed with it.
I'm 100% convinced it was the correct choice.
Yes.
And the bicolore looks so good.
Yeah. The whole drive here, the whole 9 hours, we'd see people like mouth the words pink Lambo. It was so cool. We're
awesome.
so excited. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.